how to turn on the sleep standby optimization on Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, okay, go to settings. Here in settings, okay, scroll down and go to battery lab. Okay, tap the battery lab. Here in battery lab, okay, go to battery saving settings. Okay, you can tap this. Here in battery saving settings, you can see here the sleep standby optimization. And the sleep standby optimization is off. So if you want to turn on this, okay, you'll have to do is tap this. And now you can see the switch button on the right side. Okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And after you turn on the sleep standby optimization, you can set this into automatic or manual. So for my example, I set into automatic. How to set to your sleep habit. But if you want to set into manual, you can set the start time and the end time. And the start time, okay, for my example, I change into 11. Click OK to save. And the end time is 6 AM. This is for the manual. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on the sleep standby optimization or set this on your Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.